Compliance. Let's discuss about how Microsoft maintains compliance with its customers. So, what could be the main concerns that organizations have before moving to the cloud? Maintain control of own data, data security and privacy, and transparent and compliance. Privacy. Microsoft ensures that the customer owns their own data, is in control of their data, and has transparency in how Microsoft will respond to government and law enforcement requests to access data. Security. Azure keeps the data safe by managing and controlling identity and user access, encrypting communications and operation processes, securing networks, and managing threats. Transparency. Customers should always have visibility into their data. It is also important to understand through readily available policies and procedures. Compliance. A broad set of international and industry-specific compliance standards through rigorous third-party audits, such as by the British Standards Institute. Your content is stored and managed in compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and standards. To help organizations comply with national, regional, and industry-specific requirements governing the collection and use of individuals' data, Microsoft offers the most comprehensive set of certifications and attestations of any cloud service provider. Microsoft accomplishes this breadth of compliance offerings with a two-pronged approach. First, Microsoft experts work with their engineering and operations team, as well as external regulatory bodies to track existing standards and regulations, developing hundreds of controls for the product teams to build into Azure Cloud Services. Second, because regulations and standards are always evolving, compliance experts also anticipate upcoming changes to help ensure continuous compliance, research draft regulations, assessing potential new requirements, and developing corresponding controls. Compliance standard, international standards, country-specific standards, industry-specific standards, and regional standards. Microsoft Azure adheres to 42 compliance standards spanning multiple countries and industries. Some are security standards, otherwise are related to areas outside of security. Comply with national, regional, and industry-specific requirements governing the collection and use of individuals' data. The most comprehensive set of compliance offerings of any cloud service provider. Legal and compliance teams with a comprehensive repository of information resources designed to help them understand and verify the compliance requirements of their organization's cloud deployments. By selecting different filter criteria such as region, country, industry, and product of service, filtered out compliance can be listed out. Different drop-down available to find field regions are Asia Pacific, Europe, International, Latin America, and North America. Different drop-down available to the field country are Argentina, Australia, Canada, China, Germany, India, Japan, and etc. Different drop-down available to the field industry are education, financial, government, health, manufacturers, and media. Different drop-down available to the field product and services are Azure, Azure Government, Cloud App Security, Dynamics 365, Office 365, Power Apps, Power BI, and etc. In-depth information about security and compliance. Recommended resources, cross-company document search. Microsoft Service Trust Portal provides a variety of content about Microsoft security practices and includes independent third-party audit report about Microsoft online services. It offers access to a deep set of security, privacy, and compliance resources such as independent audit reports of Microsoft Cloud Services, risk assessment, security best practices, and other such materials. These include SOC 1 and SOC 2 auditors' reports, International Organization for Standardization 27110 and 27018, audit reports and scope statements, Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program System Security Plan, Office 365 Information Security Management System Guidance, Governance, Risk Management, Security Assessment, and Compliance White Papers, FAQs, and other materials to help you perform your own risk assessment. Microsoft has published a comprehensive list of compliance offerings on the Microsoft Azure portal. The Cloud Services Due Diligence Checklist. Due Diligence Checklist provides a framework that aligns clause by clause with a new international standard for cloud services agreements, ISO IEC 19086. This standard offers a unified set of considerations for organizations to help them make decisions about cloud adoption, as well as create a common ground for comparing cloud service offerings. In addition, the checklist promotes a thoroughly vetted move to the cloud, providing structured guidance and a consistent, repeatable approach for choosing a cloud service provider, exposes key discussion topics for decision makers at the beginning of the cloud adoption process, supports through business decisions about regulations and the organization's own objectives for privacy, personally identifiable information, and data security, helps organizations identify any potential issues that could affect a cloud project, provides a consistent set of questions with the same terms, definitions, metrics, and deliverables for each provider to simplify the process of comparing offerings from different cloud service providers. Common Control Hub, simplify compliance with the Microsoft Common Controls Hub, Unified Compliance Framework, which Microsoft customers can access through the Microsoft Common Controls Hub. The UCF provides a library of more than 200,000 individual compliance mandates from more than 800 laws and standards. The Microsoft Common Controls Hub is a subset of these, provides a frequently updated list of many of the major compliance frameworks that Microsoft complies with.